In this video, we'll talk about a free online PDF inspector for UI designers. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Marsy is the name of this inspector tool, and you can find a URL in the video description. To use this tool, you have to create an account. I'm already signed into my account. In the account, we can create a project for PSD file inspection. So let's head to the projects and create a new one. Enter a name and description for it. Once created, it appears under the projects. Click on it to open and then click the Add Layer button to upload the PSD file. It takes a moment to process the file and then it's ready to open. The file opens in this informative canvas where you can check all the layers, download layers, and get detailed about each and every layer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.